Nestled between mountain ranges and bisected by the mighty Yangtze River, Chongqing is a city that captivates the imagination. Its unique geographical location has not only shaped its history but also its architectural landscape. Chongqing is a city that embodies architectural ingenuity. The Skyline is a testament to the creativity and innovation of its architects, who have managed to blend modernity with the natural beauty of the region. Known for its mountainous terrain and fog-kissed landscapes, Chongqing offers a dramatic backdrop that enhances the visual appeal of its buildings. The fog often adds a mystical quality to the city, making it look like a scene straight out of a fantasy novel. Chongqing has long been a city of innovation. Its architects have consistently pushed the boundaries of design and engineering, creating structures that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. In recent decades, it has become a hotbed of architectural experimentation, pushing the boundaries of design and engineering. The cityscape is dotted with buildings that challenge conventional architectural norms, making Chongqing a living museum of modern architecture. From gravity-defying subway systems to buildings that pierce the sky, Chongqing is a testament to the power of human imagination. The city's infrastructure is a marvel in itself, seamlessly integrating with its architectural wonders. Chongqing is a testament to the power of human imagination. The city's architects have taken full advantage of its unique topography to create structures that are both innovative and harmonious with their surroundings. Chongqing's unique topography has posed significant challenges for architects and urban planners. The city's hilly terrain and frequent fog require creative solutions to ensure that buildings are both safe and functional. However, these challenges have been met with remarkable ingenuity, resulting in a cityscape that is both awe-inspiring and deeply functional. The architects have turned obstacles into opportunities, creating a city that is as practical as it is beautiful. The city's buildings seem to defy gravity, clinging to hillsides and soaring over valleys. This architectural feat is a testament to the skill and creativity of Chongqing's architects. Bridges snake across the sky, connecting different parts of the city and creating a network of interconnected pathways. These bridges are not just functional, they are also architectural masterpieces that add to the city's unique charm. One of the most striking aspects of Chongqing's architecture is its embrace of verticality. With limited land available for development, the city has expanded upwards, creating a skyline dominated by towering skyscrapers. With limited land available for development, the city has expanded upwards, creating a skyline dominated by towering skyscrapers. These buildings are not just tall, they are often sculpted into unique and eye-catching shapes, adding to the city's futuristic aesthetic. These buildings are not just tall, they are often sculpted into unique and eye-catching shapes, adding to the city's futuristic aesthetic. The architects have taken full advantage of modern materials and construction techniques to create buildings that are both functional and visually stunning. From twisting towers to buildings that resemble giant sails, Chongqing's skyline is a constantly evolving spectacle. Each new building adds a new layer of complexity and beauty to the cityscape. Chongqing's skyline is a constantly evolving spectacle. The city's architects continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, creating a city that is both a marvel of modern engineering and a work of art. Among Chongqing's many architectural marvels, the inverted subway system stands out as a true testament to the city's innovative spirit. This unique feature of Chongqing's urban landscape has captured the imagination of both locals and visitors alike. Line 2 of the Chongqing rail transit system is a marvel of engineering, showcasing the city's commitment to integrating modern technology with practical urban solutions. With a section of track that runs underneath a residential building, it defies conventional subway design. This innovative approach has not only optimized space but also created a seamless blend of residential and transit infrastructure. Instead of tunneling under the building or constructing an elevated track, which would have been more disruptive and costly, the engineers devised a solution that is both ingenious and space-saving. This decision reflects Chongqing's forward-thinking approach to urban planning and development. The train glides silently through the building's 6th and 8th floors, a sight that is both surreal and fascinating. This design ensures that the building's residents experience minimal disruption to their daily lives. with a specially designed noise reduction system ensuring minimal disturbance to the residents. The integration of the subway line into the building is a perfect example of harmonious coexistence between urban infrastructure and residential living. The sight of a train disappearing into a residential building is surreal and has become one of Chongqing's most iconic images. This visual spectacle draws tourists and photographers from around the world, eager to capture this unique urban phenomenon. It is a testament to the city's willingness to embrace unconventional solutions and push the boundaries of what is possible. Chongqing's inverted subway is not just an engineering marvel, but also a symbol of the city's innovative spirit and resilience. It is a testament to the city's willingness to embrace unconventional solutions and push the boundaries of what is possible. The inverted subway is a shining example of how urban challenges can be met with creative and effective solutions. The inverted subway is not just a tourist attraction. It is a vital part of Chongqing's public transportation system. It serves as a crucial link in the city's extensive transit network, providing a quick and efficient way for residents to commute across the city. The inverted subway is not just a tourist attraction. It is a vital part of Chongqing's public transportation system. It serves as a crucial link in the city's extensive transit network, providing a quick and efficient way for residents to commute across the city. It provides a quick and efficient way for residents to commute across the city, alleviating traffic congestion on the roads. This innovative solution has significantly improved the quality of life for Chongqing's residents. It provides a quick and efficient way for residents to commute across the city, alleviating traffic congestion on the roads. This innovative solution has significantly improved the quality of life for Chongqing's residents. Alleviating traffic congestion on the roads, the inverted subway has become an integral part of the city's transportation infrastructure. It exemplifies how thoughtful urban planning can lead to sustainable and efficient solutions. The decision to build the subway line through the building was driven by the need to preserve the surrounding landscape and minimize disruption to the community. This approach highlights Chongqing's commitment to sustainable development and environmental conservation, and minimize disruption to the community. The inverted subway is a shining example of how urban challenges can be met with creative and effective solutions, ensuring that the city's growth is both sustainable and inclusive. Continuing the theme of unconventional transportation solutions, we journey to the bustling city of Chongqing in southwestern China. Chongqing is also home to the Liziba monorail station, a marvel of modern engineering and urban planning. This unique train station is built directly through a residential building, making it one of the most fascinating pieces of infrastructure in the world. Situated on a steep hillside, the station presented a unique challenge for architects and engineers. The city's topography is known for its rugged hills and dense urban environment, which required innovative thinking to integrate public transportation seamlessly. Rather than demolishing the building, they devised an ingenious solution to run the train through the building itself. This approach not only preserved the residential structure, but also created a functional and visually striking transit solution. The station occupies the 6th to 8th floors of the building, with the train track passing through an opening in the structure. This design allows the train to seamlessly integrate into the urban landscape without disrupting the lives of the residents. The train track passes through an opening in the structure, creating a unique blend of residential and transportation spaces. This innovative design has become a symbol of Chongqing's ability to adapt and thrive in a challenging environment. As the train arrives and departs, it appears to disappear into the building, creating a surreal and captivating spectacle. This visual effect has made the Liziba monorail station a popular subject for photographers and videographers from around the world. The Liziba monorail station has become a popular tourist destination and a symbol of Chongqing's innovative approach to urban planning. Visitors flock to the station to witness this extraordinary blend of architecture and transportation. The presence of a train station within a residential building might seem unusual, but it is a testament to the harmonious relationship between public infrastructure and private life in Chongqing. This integration showcases the city's commitment to creating functional and livable urban spaces. The residents have become accustomed to the sound of the train passing through their building, and many even find it comforting. The station has seamlessly blended into their daily lives, becoming an integral part of the community. The residents have become accustomed to the sound of the train passing through their building, and the station has become an integral part of the community. This unique setup has fostered a sense of pride among the locals, who view the station as a symbol of their city's ingenuity and resilience. The Liziba monorail station is more than just a transportation hub. It is a testament to human creativity and the ability to find solutions in the face of challenges. It stands as a beacon of innovation, demonstrating how urban planning can harmoniously coexist with the needs of a growing city. Section 4. The Yangtze River Cable Car, a nostalgic journey. While Chongqing embraces modernity, it also cherishes its rich history. The Yangtze River Cable Car, a remnant of the city's industrial past, stands as a testament to this heritage. Once used as a mode of transportation for factory workers, the cable car now serves as a nostalgic tourist attraction, offering breathtaking views of the city and the Yangtze River. The cable car ride is a journey through time, offering glimpses of Chongqing's industrial heritage and its transformation into a modern metropolis. The slow and steady pace of the cable car provides ample opportunity to soak in the panoramic views, from the bustling riverfront to the city's iconic skyline. Section 5. Raffles City Chongqing, a sail in the sky. No exploration of Chongqing's architectural marvels would be complete without mentioning Raffles City Chongqing, a sprawling complex that has redefined the city's skyline. Designed by renowned architect Moshe Safdie, Raffles City Chongqing is a masterpiece of modern architecture, featuring 8 interconnected towers that resemble a giant sail billowing in the wind. The complex houses a mix of residential, commercial, and entertainment spaces, creating a vibrant and self-contained urban ecosystem. Its most striking feature is the Crystal, a horizontal skyscraper that connects 4 of the towers and offers unparalleled views of the city.